What happens when you keep snake plant in your room? There are some several benefits for keeping snake plant in your bedroom. Placing a snake plant in your bedroom can be a great idea. These plants are known for their air purifying qualities and their ability to convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, which might contribute to the better sleep environment. Additionally, the snake plant are low maintenance and can thrive in low light, making them well suited for indoor spaces. Just be sure to keep them in a spot where they receive some indirect light and avoid overwatering. The snake plants are adaptable to different humidity level. They can thrive in both dry and more humid environment, making them versatile for various indoor climates. These plants are relatively resistant to common plant diseases. However, watch out for the root rot, which can occur if the plant is overwatered or sits in a waterlogged soil. By following this, you can ensure that your snake plant remain healthy and continue to contribute positive in your bedroom environment.